So, morning guys! Mag-walking kami karon with the twins. So, naka-outfit na karon. And then, mo niya akong mga kuyog. Hello! Where are we going? Go for a bushwalk! Yeah! Oh, binocular. So, mo niya ako ang mga buddies. Akong walking buddies. Kulba na lagbak pa kung iyahang sword on niya, sword. Op. Napayahang chair. Ano man na? Wait, we'll open the door first. Come on, go. Naka-imbento po siya. Yeah, but I know. So we're here guys, namin sa Paxis Slayer. So before mag-trail or mag-walk, nangaon sa ning Hello, how are you? Nangaon sa ning You're Matthew, and then the other one is?
Maxi.
You're Maxi. Okay, what we're gonna do?
Practice eat water.
Eat yakers and yogurt. So we're gonna go for a walk, okay? Okay? Good job! So this is our third water break. Rest? Yeah? Rest, Matthew? You tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
I'm tired. What are you eating? Another yogurt. And Max, what are you eating?
I'm fine.
You got a sword. And then what are you eating? Cracker. You tired? No.
This one.
That's your sword. Okay, that's it guys. Almost there na misamo. Andul nga.